Good morning, students. Have a nice day. Today, we see the community identification. It is almost equal to concept of diagnosis. The term diagnosis comes from the Greek word diagnosiken, meaning to distinguish. The term was derived from dia, meaning through, apart from the gnoskin, meaning to. The community diagnosis depends on understanding of the social science, vital statistics, and epidemiological investigation. The definition of community diagnosis may be defined as determining the pattern of health problems in the community, including factors which influence this pattern. Community diagnosis or identification is a comprehensive assessment of the state as an entire community in relation to its social, political, economic, physical, and biological environment. Community identification purposes are: it helps in identification and quantification of the health problems, help in identification of those individuals or groups at risk or those who needs health care. It helps to identify community needs and problems, helps to decide strategies for community involvement, effectively help in understanding the social, cultural, and environmental characteristics of community. It can be used to help the community because it can be used to help the community becomes conscious of its existing problems and find solution. The content of it is, there is hard measurable facts. First one is age, sex, distribution, literacy status, prevalence of disease, and sanitary conditions. Not measurable facts are customs, beliefs, taboos, attitudes, values towards various situations. So when you go to the community, you can see all these differences: hard measurable facts and not measurable facts. So we have to see accordingly what is the most important fact. Then there are various steps in community diagnosis: defining an area, identify the needs of the community, specify priority health needs of the community, and also identifying community resources for facilitating health problems, setting priorities, and also community needs in proportion to national capacity and intersectoral cooperation in planning. Now, community health planning together with identification and analyzing the health needs and health problems, establishing priorities. Establishing priorities refers to ranking of the health problems identified by determining the interrelative importance on the basis of predetermined criteria. Setting goals and objectives. Related to problem statement: client-centered, clear and concise, observable and measurable objectives, time-limited objectives, realistic objectives, and determined by the client and the nurse. Formulating community health action plans according to the agency's policy. The resources available, the nature of the problem, the community's interest and feasibility, competencies of the health personnel, and practicability and efficiency. In this way, we formulate the community health action plans. Implementation of community health: three types of nursing interventions are there. That is supplemental, facilitative, and developmental. That is doing things for the families, groups, and community at large, which they are not able to do. Example, nursing care of the sick at home or in any center or in any other setting. So we do supplementary types of nursing intervention. Then we have facilitative types, that is removing a barrier, obstacles, etc. She helps them to mobilize and develop their resources. The nurse need to know the community resources, health and allied resources, know their functions, and establish functional relationship. All these are facilitative activities that we can do. We can remove a barrier or the obstacles, etc. Then you have the developmental types of nursing intervention, that is helping families, groups, and people at large to develop and improve their capabilities. She can educate members to recognize their health problems, health needs, to find solutions, mobilize and develop their resources and abilities to implement action. Then there is the roles and responsibilities of the community health nurse practitioner. There is 5 level of proficiency. She can, in the beginning level, she is called a novice. Then you have the advanced beginner who have some level of experience. Competent, the nurse who has been in clinical position 2 to 3 years. Proficient, a nurse with more than 3 years of experience. Expert, a nurse with diverse experience. There is standards of nursing practice. The nurse should have license of practice. Confidentiality of communications between nurse and the client is protected in section 2 of the codes for nurses. Privileged communication is a privilege of the client not to disclose treatment information to court of law. The uniformity of the assessment and subsequent documentation of the assessment indicate that a standard of practice was followed. So, documentation is very important. The decision making skill, the decision making in the community diagnosis refers to deciding in advance, planning for community assessment. When planning for program, the community health nurse should take some measures to follow, know the problem or needs of the community by observing, interviewing, seeing records and report by conducting surveys, know the people and place, find out available resources, fund, staff and equipments, select methods and materials for the program, launch the program, study the results. Legal issues in community diagnosis. Some difficult ethical issues in community diagnosis today are faced. Who shall be the priority recipients of the community health nursing practice? Who shall have access to care? Who is assessed by the community health nurse? The individual, family or group. What do community health nurse assess? How community health nursing evaluated for quality of care, cost effectiveness and outcome assessment. Who shall pay for the care? What should be the level of care? What type of nursing interventions do community nurse use in practice? What nursing diagnosis do community health use? How organized data collection can be conducted in the community? How community health nurses prepared at the following levels is used. Thank you.